The list can seem endless. Many people want to start a career in technology, but they feel overwhelmed by the number of skills they think they need to learn. Programming, networking, cloud computing, cybersecurity, automation. So, when you first look at the world of information technology, the sheer number of skills you're told you need to learn can be overwhelming. The list can seem endless, from dozens of programming languages and frameworks to an ever-expanding universe of cloud services, security protocols, and networking standards. It's easy to feel like you're already behind before you've even started. This often leads to a state of analysis paralysis, where the path forward is so cluttered with options that choosing where to focus your energy feels impossible. You might find yourself jumping from a tutorial on Python one day to a video about containerization the next, without ever building the deep practical knowledge that truly moves the needle in your career. But the truth is that a few core IT skills can dramatically change your career if you focus on mastering them. These aren't necessarily the trendiest buzzwords of the moment, but rather the foundational pillars upon which all technology is built. Think of them as the operating system for your career, the essential software that enables you to run any application, adapt to new challenges, and build a sustainable, future-proof profession in the tech industry. By concentrating on these fundamentals, you cut through the noise and invest your time in abilities that will remain relevant for decades to come, regardless of how technology evolves. In this video, we will explore 5 important IT skills that can open many opportunities in the technology industry. We'll demystify these critical areas, breaking them down into understandable and actionable components. We'll start with the art of troubleshooting, the systematic process of identifying, analyzing, and solving problems. Then, we'll dive into the fundamentals of networking, the backbone that connects everything in our digital world. From there, you will explore the transformative power of cloud computing and how it has redefined modern infrastructure. We will also cover the essential principles of cybersecurity, learning how to protect data and systems from emerging threats. Finally, we'll discuss the often underestimated but vital skill of effective communication, the bridge that connects technical experts with users and business leaders. For each of these skills, we won't just tell you what they are. We'll show you why they matter, provide real-world examples, and give you a clear roadmap on how you can start developing them today. Skill 1. Troubleshooting. One of the most valuable skills in IT is troubleshooting. Technology environments are complex, systems break, software crashes, networks fail. The ability to analyze problems and identify solutions is extremely valuable. Good IT professionals are not just people who memorize information. They are people who can calmly investigate problems and resolve them. Skill 2. Networking fundamentals. Have you ever wondered what happens when you click a link? In that fraction of a second, your computer embarks on a remarkable journey across a global web of interconnected devices. Understanding how these devices communicate is our second essential skill. It's the art and science of computer networking, the invisible architecture that powers our digital world. At the heart of networking is the IP address, a unique identifier for every device on a network, much like a street address for a house. But what if you have a massive city? You'd divide it into smaller, manageable neighborhoods or postal codes. In networking, we do the same thing using subnets. Subnetting allows us to break a large network into smaller, more efficient, and more secure segments. This organization is crucial for managing traffic and enhancing security, ensuring data only goes where it's supposed to. Now, let's talk about the hardware that directs this traffic. Within a single network, like your home or office, a switch connects all your devices together, creating a local area network, or LAN. It's like the local post office, sorting mail for addresses within the same neighborhood. But to send data outside your local network, to the internet, you need a router. A router is the gateway between networks. It acts like an international airport's air traffic control, examining the destination IP address of your data and choosing the most efficient path across the vast, complex web of the internet to get it there. This decision-making process is called routing, and it's what makes global communication possible. But we don't browse the web by typing in long strings of numbers. We use names, like google.com. This is where the domain name system, or DNS, comes in. Think of DNS as the internet's phone book. It translates the human-friendly domain names we type into the computer-friendly IP addresses needed to locate the server hosting that website. Without DNS, the internet would be incredibly difficult to navigate. A solid grasp of these concepts, IP addresses, subnets, switches, routers, and DNS, is non-negotiable in IT. Even professionals who specialize in cloud computing or cybersecurity rely heavily on this foundational networking knowledge every single day. A cloud engineer can't configure a virtual private cloud without it, and a security analyst can't trace a threat without understanding the network paths it took. The best way to solidify these skills is by doing. You can start small by building a simple home lab. Explore your own router's settings. Set up a separate network for your smart devices. Use tools like Wireshark to actually see the data packets traveling across your network. This hands-on practice transforms abstract concepts into tangible, practical expertise. In summary, networking is one of the core foundations of modern technology. Mastering it gives you the power to understand, build, and secure the digital world. Skill 3. Cloud computing. Our third essential skill takes us from the physical world of hardware into the virtual realm of the cloud. For decades, businesses had to buy, house, and maintain their own physical servers. This meant huge upfront costs, ongoing maintenance, and a slow process to scale up. If a website suddenly got popular, you couldn't just instantly add more server power. But today, technology infrastructure is increasingly moving to the cloud. So what exactly is the cloud? In simple terms, it's about accessing computing services, servers, storage, databases, networking, and software over the internet from a provider who owns and manages the physical hardware. Instead of owning your own computing infrastructure, you rent it from a cloud provider. This shift from capital expense to operational expense has revolutionized how businesses operate, allowing them to be more agile and innovative. The cloud market is dominated by three major players, often called hyperscalers: Amazon Web Services, or AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. AWS is the oldest and largest player, known for its vast portfolio of services and mature ecosystem. It's the go-to for many startups and established companies alike. Microsoft Azure is a strong competitor, especially within organizations that already rely heavily on Microsoft products like Windows Server and Office 365. It excels in hybrid cloud environments, blending on-premise infrastructure with the public cloud. Google Cloud Platform, while third in market share, is a powerhouse in areas like data analytics, machine learning, and container orchestration with Kubernetes, which was originally developed at Google. While they all offer similar core services, their strengths and pricing models differ, making platform choice a key business decision. To make this concrete, let's follow a simple deployment story. Imagine a small team has built a new web application. They need to make it available to users around the world, reliably and securely. First, instead of buying a physical server, they log in to a cloud provider's console. With just a few clicks, they provision a virtual server, choosing the exact amount of CPU, RAM, and storage they need. This process, which used to take weeks of procurement and setup, now takes minutes. Next, they deploy their application code onto this virtual server and connect it to a managed database service. They don't have to worry about installing or patching the database software. The cloud provider handles all of that. Suddenly, their app gets featured on a popular blog, and traffic surges. In the old world, this would crash their server, but in the cloud, they can configure auto-scaling. The platform automatically detects the increased load and launches more virtual servers to handle the traffic, then scales back down when the traffic subsides, so they only pay for the resources they actually use. Understanding how these powerful, globally distributed systems operate is now a critical skill for any IT professional. To recap, cloud computing allows organizations to rent IT infrastructure instead of owning it. This provides incredible agility, cost savings, and the ability to scale systems, store data, and run applications globally with ease. For an IT support specialist, this means you'll likely be helping users access cloud services, troubleshooting connectivity to cloud applications, and managing permissions within these platforms. Learning cloud fundamentals can open many career paths. Skill 4. Security. Awareness. Cybersecurity is now a priority for almost every organization. Even basic security awareness is valuable. Understanding concepts such as protecting accounts, identifying vulnerabilities, securing networks, preventing cyber attacks, helps professionals protect systems and information. Security knowledge strengthens almost every technology career. Skill 5. Communication. Many people believe IT careers are only technical, but communication is one of the most underrated skills in technology. IT professionals often need to explain problems to users, document solutions, collaborate with teams, communicate technical information clearly. Professionals who combine technical knowledge with strong communication skills often grow faster in their careers. Final advice. Technology careers are built gradually. You do not need to master everything immediately. Focus on building strong fundamentals. Develop your troubleshooting skills, understand networking, learn cloud concepts, stay aware of security, and always improve your ability to communicate. These 5 skills can create powerful momentum in your technology journey. If you want practical guidance on technology careers and skill development, subscribe to The Calm Engineer. Build skill, increase income, stay calm.